Hello everybody, welcome back to TQM Travels. Lisa and I have taken a train from Rome to Naples, where we're going to be spending the next couple of days. Not necessarily just in Naples though. We are today. Is there anything specific you want to do here in Naples, Lisa? I have one main goal on my list. What about you?
I know his goal.
What is it?
Big pizza.
It's to find pizza. Naples
Not
is...
just find it, you want to eat it.
That's true.
It's easy to find.
Naples is the birthplace of like traditional Italian style pizza. I am so excited to find some delicious pizza here. We are also going to be making some pizza later tonight, so we're guaranteed to find and eat some, but I do want to...
That's not guaranteed to be the best though.
Right. I'm really looking forward to trying that out though, but we're going to be exploring Naples today. Right now we're here in Plebiscito Piazza. You can see behind us, it's pretty cool. A lot of really cool buildings in the background, and it should be a lot of fun. So you excited to explore Naples today, Lisa?
Yes, you were almost going to say the Piazza.
I was not going to say that, so here we go. Oh, what a busy day we've had here in Naples. We are checked into our hotel now. We're resting up because we have just been wandering, and it's really interesting because Naples is a smaller city than Rome, but it just feels busier, more exhausting. Look at Lisa. She's dead.
Not dead. You took a nap. I'm resting my legs.
I did. Oh my God. I took a little nap. We did quite a bit. We've seen shopping arcades. We saw a castle, the beach. Did a lot of walking through some huge crowds, especially over the main shopping area near the piazza. We really didn't actually venture too far from that area. A lot of the main attractions of the city, I'd say, are sort of in that area, but I don't know what it is. The atmosphere is completely different here than in Rome. In Rome, it was like everything seemed so much easier to get to, and here it's a little more hectic and crazy, but it's interesting. And the food. The food has been spectacular. We had a couple of specialties here in Napoli. We obviously were able to find some pizza. We actually got pretty lucky with that because we went to Pizzeria Brandi, which is the birthplace of the margherita pizza, and we really wanted to try it, but we went in, and apparently you had to have reservations. We stepped out and then came back and we're like, okay, can we actually make reservations for either tomorrow or Wednesday while we're still in the area? And he's like, actually, just there's a seat right there. You could sit there. So we got lucky. We were able to try it out. Delicious pizza. The ingredients were so fresh, and it just tasted spectacular. We also tried another specialty for breakfast. I forgot the name of it, but I will put it down below. It's an interesting little pastry. Pretty good with some coffee. And yeah, a lot of good food. A lot of fun activities to fill our day. And now we've rested up because we have one more thing to do tonight. We're going to be eating some more pizza, this time at Pizzeria Mammina. And we are actually going to be making the pizza this time. So let's see if we mess it up or if we can make a culinary masterpiece.
Grazie. No stirring.
Dough smells awesome.
Okay, now that Chris's camera is like 84% flour.
We are here, finished up with our pizza making experience here at Mammina.
Tell me what this is, Chris.
That's your diploma.
That's
my
yours.
diploma. We are official pizza chefs.
You said we could put this in our LinkedIn.
Right.
I am a hireable lady.
Oh my god, the pizza making experience was so much fun. The dough was so fun to work with. Like what, 75% hydration or something crazy? We've made pizza at home before, but we're always like 50%. It's a lot easier to work with, but oh my god, it was so much fun. We hung out with some really cool people as well, two of which we're gonna actually see on our experience in a couple of days while we're in Pompeii, which is just so funny. And what did you think of the pizza?
Oh, it turned out really good. I maybe forgot a little section in the center of mine, which you couldn't. I lied. This didn't ever happen.
There's not a big old burned bubble on me.
There was not a big.
Oh, it was fantastic. The pizza is so fresh. The sauce was so good. It's just tomatoes. Like at home, I feel like we have a lot of seasoning and garlic and sauces when we make it, but this was so good, so fresh, delicious. We're still full from lunch, so we have a whole pizza left over. along with our diplomas as well.
Yep, I saw the diploma.
Man, super fun. What a really fun day here in Naples though, right? There's a lot to do here in Naples. You could definitely spend a couple days here, but I feel pretty satisfied with just the one day that we did, right? Like I feel like we saw a lot and did a lot and ate a lot.
We did.
So that's going to be it for this episode, guys. Tomorrow, we are going to be heading on a little tour of the Amalfi Coast. Yeah, we're going to take a look at a couple of coastal cities on the coast. Should be really pretty, great views. So that's going to be it for this episode, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't yet, we would greatly appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to ring that notification bell and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it. Until next time, guys, cheers.